Stop scrolling. This is the best and the simplest plantain pottage you will find on the internet today. It's so easy and it requires ingredients you already have at home. Let me show you some of them. You will need ugwu, salt and seasoning cubes, sliced onions and pepper, some palm oil, fish, and of course the star of the show, some plantain. For this recipe, I am using just unripe plantain, but if you want to go extra, you can mix unripe plantain and ripe one. Growing up, I hated peeling unripe plantain. You will not see me near unripe plantain because it's so difficult to peel, unlike ripe ones. But because of the benefits, I have to take it as an adult. It is rich in fiber, vitamin A. It even supports weight management. So count me in whenever there is unripe plantain. Yep, that's it. Because I want my plantain to cook fast, I'm going to cut it into small pieces like this. All done, so I transferred the plantain into a pot, added some onions and pepper, salt and seasoning cube, crayfish and palm oil. So basically this is a one pot meal. Everything goes into the pot at once except the vegetable. This is my go-to method of making plantain pottage. Try it and you will love it. It is so easy. Like, you can be doing other things and your plantain is cooking. How does it sound? Interesting, right? Now give everything a good stir. Adjust seasoning if needed. Cover this and let it cook. After about 5 minutes of cooking, I'm going to open the pot, give everything a good mix, and check on how cooked the plantain is, whether it's soft enough or still hard. If it's still hard, please add more water, cover it and let it cook. Mine was soft. I just let it cook so that the water in the pot can dry. You can see our plantain pottage is already coming together. I added the ugwu. I will cover the pot. This is just to steam the ugwu, then give it a good stir again. Guys, if it's your first time coming across my channel, please do well to like this video, drop a comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If possible, hit the notification bell so that whenever I drop another recipe, YouTube will send you a notification and you'll be the first to see my amazing recipes. Don't you like what you see? And just like that, your plantain pottage is ready. This was so delicious, very yummy. Trust me, your friends, your family, your neighbors, anybody you are cooking this for will love it. Thanks for watching. Bye.